Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and today I just wanted to have a real conversation, one that's been weighing on my heart because let's face it, navigating life as a 32-year-old black mother, no, actually a 32-year-old black woman, it could be overwhelming. It could get very ghetto in 6 seconds. There are days I feel like I'm on top of the world, and then there are days where I just feel lost in the sauce. I feel like, girl, you took delusion way too far. Being a mother is the greatest gift, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. Since losing my mother 4 years ago, things have shifted in ways I did not expect, girl. And I'm not even playing. It's like the ground beneath me has trembled and now I'm stuck, trying to find my footing while also being the mother to my children. Girl, what? I know I'm not alone in this. So many of us are trying to balance our dreams with the reality of motherhood. There's this hustle culture that tells us we can have it all, but sometimes, girl, it just feels like a lot. Like, I need to go take a nap. I have to take a nap. Like, how can I chase my dreams when it feels like everything in my life is pulling me in different directions? I started filming again after my mother passed away. It was like an escape. It was my way of processing everything that was going on in my life during COVID. It's a reminder that my dreams are very, very, very valid and that I still have a voice worth sharing. But then reality hits, and I find myself saying, girl, did you take delusion too far? Is now really the right time to be trying to do everything that you're trying to do? Like, are you being realistic with yourself? Or are you being delusional, girl? Because sometimes good delusion is good. So, those are the questions that I have for myself. I've had these dreams of starting my own beauty supply store since I was a kid. I was that kid that was in trouble, that got everything taken away out her room, and all I had was my hands, and I learned how to braid. I learned how to do everything on punishment. And I'm not even playing. I promise you I'm not playing. My dad used to hate it because you can take everything, but you can't take my hands. For me to learn my lesson, you're going to have to take my hands. And he wasn't able to do that. So, yeah. I've had this dream since I was a child. My first job was at a beauty supply store in California. If you guys don't know, I'm from California, San Diego, California. And my first job was at 14. I worked at just a regular local beauty supply store. And I used to get discounts, and I used to sell gel and ponytail and earrings and contacts in high school. Yeah, I've been that girl. I've been flipping ponytails since I was a kid. But yeah, support is so crucial. And leaning on my friends and sharing these burdens and uplifting me and me uplifting them was it created such a strong community. Because trust, some days I feel so exhausted. I feel defeated. And I had to teach myself, and I'm still teaching myself, it's okay to rest. It's okay to take a step back and breathe. My great grandmother has been telling me that I'm moving too fast. Why am I in a rush? And it's like, girl, your granddaughter died. Your daughter died. It's me versus time right now. And I'm still trying to decipher what she said when she said, I am moving too fast. Like, what am I in a rush for? And me and her be battling, going back and forth. Like, do you not see what's going on in the world? And I'm so grateful that I have her because she reminds me to just slow my roll. Okay? So, I guess what I was just wanting to say is you don't have to have it all figured out. It's perfectly okay to be a work in progress. The fact that we keep showing up, keep trying, girl, that's enough. We are enough. As a black woman, mother, our stories matter. Girl, that corporate job don't know what's going on. Your operations manager, she's not managing shit. Your regional manager, she don't know what's going on at your job. The person that's supposed to lead you, they are blind. Nobody knows what they're doing, I promise you. And that gives me comfort when I think about my business, when I think about everything that I've done. And girl, yeah. If you're watching this and you're also trying to find yourself amidst the chaos of everyday life, just know you're not alone. Let's commit to nurturing nurturing, our dreams while also being gentle with ourselves. It's a progress, not perfection. It's all about progress and not perfection. Thank you for joining me today. If you resonated with this, please like, subscribe, and share your own journey in the comments below. Let's lift each other up and keep this conversation going. How do you deal with grief? Or how do you deal with a checklist that never ends? How do you deal with not having the funds to do what you're supposed to do? Like, what do you do when you have, what do you do? How are you navigating life, girl? Because I need help. My checklist, girl, it's just too much going on with my checklist. I got a lot of shit to do before 2025 ends. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys next time.